welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian. If you are new, I do all kinds of videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, all sorts of fun things. So if you're into any of that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Okay, today is a really special video because I was approached for a collaboration video by this company, Sylvaine Delacourte, out of Paris. The packaging is just gorgeous. So this is a perfume company out of France, and they reached out to me and asked if they could send me some free samples, and then I would pick out my favorite scent, and then they would send me a package so that I could do a video based around that scent. So I agreed to do that. This is not a paid video, but they did send me all of the scents and the perfume here for free. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about this packaging. It is beautiful. Arrived in a big box, all full with tissue paper, just gorgeous. Beautiful bag. It's so cool that I have perfume from France, direct from France. It did take quite a while to arrive. I think almost 2 weeks, if I could remember correctly. So I'm fascinated by the uniqueness of this perfume. I haven't smelled anything like this here in the United States. There could be something similar. I don't know. Just for frame of reference, a lot of times I like to wear Marc Jacobs scents, Versace. I do like the Gucci scent a little bit, so just kind of a frame of reference. I don't like scents that are too sweet. I don't like scents that are too florally. It's a good mix of scents and different notes and things like that. And I guess from what I gather from emailing the owner and also from looking online is everything is 100% made in France. Everything is made from raw materials. So they've really kind of narrowed in and keyed in on some certain aromas, some spicy scents, some musky, some vanilla, just really unique to me anyway. Okay, but first the packaging. So the major scent, because they had sent me like a little like sampler pack first so that I could kind of pick which scent I liked the most, and the one I liked the most at the time was this one called Helicris. To kind of do a disclaimer, I am really bad at kind of naming the scent in the perfume. I'm really bad at kind of like narrowing in on, okay, this is a musk, or okay, this is this, or oh, this has got a floral thing. You know, I'm really bad at kind of like determining what it is, and so when I explain this to you, I don't know that I'm going to do a very good job of explaining the scent. All I know is that I like it. It's not too heavy. It stays on, but it's not overpowering. There's some perfumes you put on and it's just like, oh, I can smell this person from across the room. It's not what this is. It's very light, but yet you can smell the perfume. But anyway, the packaging is just gorgeous. Sylvaine Delacourte, she's an entrepreneur. She is the creator. I'm just kind of looking at some of my notes here so I don't forget anything. She's been mentioned in Elle magazine, Marie Claire magazine. So, I mean, if you guys look this company up online, you'll be able to gather all of this information as well, in case I forget anything. But it's just really unique, really cool, and I think she's developed an awesome company. So each scent has its own artist that created like a character for the scent. So this is kind of like the shield for Helicris. So a lot of the scents, the first ones that she sent me were all kind of like a musky type scent, also a vanilla array of scents. So kind of like the two kinds of scents that they carry, just to give you a nice packaging for the main scent is gorgeous. So kind of like a metal, you know, type box. So here is that shield with the character for that perfume Helicris. So kind of a cool touch that each scent has its own like character to it. It's not just a Sylvaine Delacourte company, you know, kind of like label on each one. So it's kind of cool. How beautiful this is. I mean, it is a huge bottle. I believe this is 100 milliliters. Sylvaine Delacourte, made in France. Eau de Perfume, and it's 100 milliliters, and this is the Helicris right here. So obviously it's going to be a spray, and it's hard for me to identify, but it's more musky, but not in like a gross way. It's just a very nice scent. So the scent Helichrys is a very kind of like a spicy, musky type of scent. To be honest, it has patchouli in it, which I normally am not a patchouli fan. But if you're into patchouli, you will really like this, I think. But it's not super strong, again, because normally, like I say, patchouli is not my favorite thing. But this one just has a light, kind of like soft patchouli type of aroma to it, and I do like that. It's very fresh, and if you want to call it maybe a little bit exotic. So just to give you kind of an idea of what this is, but it's, you know, definitely something that when you spray it on, you can smell it. A little woodsy, like I said. So hopefully that explains it. Again, she does an awesome job online of explaining each scent, so you can kind of get an idea. She goes through and talks about those raw materials that we talked about in terms of what she uses in each one. This one has the patchouli. So just really unique and distinct scent. So really impressed with this. That's right. Again, I'm not a perfume specialist, but I love perfume. So that is why I did agree to do this review. And like I said, I'm just super impressed. Pricing for this 100 milliliter is $170. She is offering 20% off your first order, and anybody can get that, not just because you're watching my video. So I'll have her website information down below. You guys can go check it out, read all about it, read all about her, the creator. You'll be able to see all the pricing and everything like that. So you can order like a little trial size, like a kit, 5 1.7 milliliter scents, and you can choose the musk variety or the vanilla variety, and it's only $4. So you can kind of get an idea for really inexpensive, kind of what the smell is like and if you like it or not. And then you don't have to commit to the huge bottle or even the medium bottle right off the bat. So that is an awesome option to be able to get a variety of different scents for a very inexpensive price. Also, there's always free shipping, so you don't have to worry about that, which is also a plus for me. I hate paying for shipping. So she also sent me in the package these little items right here. So here we have a travel size right here. And it is just gorgeous. I mean, this is like real metal, heavy duty. So I really like this as a travel size option. Love this. And then I got in these little pouches some other little samples. These are great, going to be great for travel as well. And I might actually gift these to my mom too. So, but look at how cute these little like travel size of the other musks in her line. And again, I'm not going to sit here and explain all the notes, I should say, in each one of these because I'm really bad at it. But just so you know, this is how it comes. Really cute, great packaging, really nice, you know, woodsy type smell with these musks, and just kind of a really cool concept. So I got that, and then I also got one more, and then this one is another travel size of the Helichrys. Another really cool thing is that she does candles in these scents. Now I haven't burned this yet, so I can't actually say, okay, this is going to like make your whole house smell or whatever. I haven't burned it yet because I kind of wanted to show you guys the packaging and how it looked before I burned the candle. It's really pretty. I'm just really impressed with this perfume and this line, and the fact that she's got candles, I love. So this is the package right here, and it's just gorgeous. It's got some birds there, the information, just really pretty packaging. I think this would make such a gorgeous gift. You open it up, and here is the candle. This is so heavy. It's like a ceramic or a metal or something. And here is the candle. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce it, but that's it right there. There's nothing on the back. There's the top, and then it just comes right off like that. If you can see it, there's just one wick. Oh, it's just so pretty. It's just a soft, aromatic, I'm really bad at describing it, but it's just really, really lovely, and I really like it. And I'm assuming this is really going to smell up the house in a good way. So I'm looking forward to burning that as well. But how beautiful of a gift that would be. Love it. I made the vanilla collection, and that's this right here, and it looks like there's 5 different scents in the vanilla collection. So I didn't get a large bottle of the vanilla, but these smell really nice. Let's see if I can attempt to pronounce these. Valkyrie, Vahina, Venori, Vangelis, and Virgil. Maybe. So yeah, so each one has just a little sample bottle, and this is the type of samples you'll get if you order the $4, the 5 for $4. This is exactly what you're gonna get. So this is what I got when we got together originally. She sent me one of these, the 5 of the musks, and then I ended up picking Helichrys for my large bottle. So that's how kind of that whole thing went, and it just was a great opportunity. They're a great company, great to collaborate with. I really have enjoyed, you know, emailing back and forth and learning more about the company. So I'm definitely impressed. I'm going to definitely give this company and these scents a thumbs up. But again, if you guys have any more questions or anything, and if I can answer them, I will. Hopefully, if she reads your comments, maybe she can also answer your questions. I don't know. You can direct them at Sylvaine Delacourte, the entrepreneur behind the company and the creator of the company. So I am loving this. Again, thumbs up if you guys like these kind of videos. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and again, don't forget to please subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks guys. Bye.